Question we're going to ask to find, using algebra, all the real solutions to the following two equations. So we'll start with the first one. And we've got 16a squared equals 2 root a. Okay, standard thing is to try and make it equal 0, see if we can factorise, see if we can get anything from that. So I'm going to subtract the 2 root a. Okay, and now I don't like dealing with stuff with a root symbol, so I'm going to change it to a power of a. See if that makes it any easier to handle. So we get 16a squared minus 2a to the half equals 0. And again, whenever we've got something equaling 0, see if we can factorise. This question does say using algebra as well, so we can't just put this in our calculator. So I'm going to bring an a to the half out, because that would give me then 16a to the 3 over 2 minus 2. Equaling 0. So that will give me two solutions. The first one is a to the half equals 0. Or (16a to the 3 over 2 minus 2 equals 0. This one's the easier solution. A is just 0. This one requires a little bit more. So I'm going to add the 2. And divide by 16. So we get a to the 3 over 2 equals 1 over 8. Take a cube root both sides. Gives me a to the half equals 1 over 2. Which of course, if I square both sides now, a is a quarter. So we've got a is 0 and a is a quarter. Other question. We've got b to the power of 4 plus 7b squared minus 18 equals 0. So you can't just stick this in your calculator. I know the calculator does it for you, but unfortunately this question does say using algebra. So we're going to let b squared equal y. And we're going to rewrite this equation as a quadratic that we can solve. So we've got y squared plus 7y minus 18 equals 0. Continuing along the algebra theme, we are going to factorise it. Giving you solutions of y equals minus 9 or y equals 2. I would suggest just check that on your calculator just in case. Okay? So, now we know that, we can bring b squared back. So b squared equals minus 9 or b squared equals 2. This one's easy. No real solutions for that one. However, this one, if we square root both sides, my plus or minus symbol right, you get plus or minus root 2. Okay, so do need to make sure that you say no real solutions there, and you do need to make sure that you've got the plus or minus there.